Today we're talking about proportional relationships with tables and graphs. So Mrs. Cochran is planning an end-of-the-year pizza party for her students. And Ace Pizza is offering free delivery and charges $8 per medium pizza. So let's complete this table. If she buys one pizza, it's going to cost $8. 2 would cost $16. 3 would cost her $24. 4 would cost her $32. And 8 would cost her $64. Okay, and this is all cost in dollars. For each number of pizzas, write the relationship of the cost of the number of pizzas as a ratio in simplest form. So, what we mean here is this one is already in simplest form, 8/1, $8 per pizza. All right, 16/2, $16 for 2 pizzas could be written as $8/1. 24 for 3 could be written as $8 for 1, and 32/4. Do you see a pattern going on here? Each one of these is $8 per pizza. 64 even for 8 pizzas would be $8 for 1 pizza. So what do you notice about the simplified ratios? They are the same. They are all the same. So because all of these numbers have the same simplified ratio, this is a proportion. Okay, these are proportionate. Proportional. All right, let's look at the rule. 2 quantities are proportional if they have a constant ratio or unit rate. For relationships in which the ratio is not constant, the 2 quantities are not proportional. So for example, if I said I can run 1 mile in 20 minutes, okay? I can run 2 miles in 40 minutes. Yes, I'm slow, okay? These are proportionate because these equal one another. This 2/40 could be written as 1/20. Quantities like this, I'm going to buy 1 pen for $3 and I'm going to buy another pen for 2 pens for $4. These are not proportionate. They do not have equivalent ratios because 2/4 can be written as 1/2. Let's look at another example. Andrew earns $18 per hour mowing lawns. Is the amount of money he earns proportional to the number of hours he spends mowing? So what we want to know is he always making $18 per hour? Here we know $18 per 1 hour, 18/1. 36 divided by 2, what does that simplify to? Same with each of these, 54/3, 72/4. Take a second, use your calculator if you need to simplify the ratio and see what the unit rate would be. So if you pause the video, you would then have concluded that 18/1 would be all of your simplified ratios, which means this is proportional because all of the unit rates are $18 per hour. We can even put the dollar sign in and write hours next to each one of these. Okay, let's look at another example. Try this one on your own, okay? Uptown Tickets charges $7 per baseball game. Oop, I'm moving the stuff. I need my pen to work. Per baseball game. All right? Tickets plus a $3 processing fee per order. Okay? Is the cost of an order proportional to the number of tickets? So you're going to pay this $3 for one time no matter how many tickets you buy. So if I buy 1 ticket, I'm going to pay $7 for the game and a $3 processing fee. Okay, so a total of $10. If I buy 2 tickets, I'm paying the $3 processing fee plus 1 ticket plus another ticket. So 2 tickets would cost us $14 plus the processing fee, which would cost us $3, so $17. You try the rest real quick and pause the video. I'm going to go through the answers. Okay, so each one of these would be the unit rate. Oop, that's supposed to be 31. So now what we need to do, or not the unit rate, these would be the rates. Now we need to find the unit rates. So 10/1 is already a unit rate. Try each one of these and see how much it's going to cost per ticket. $10 for 1 ticket here. What is 17 divided by 2, and so on and so forth. So go ahead, pause the video, and find each unit rate. If you need to use your calculator, you can. All right, and I'm going to go through the answers. Okay, here are my answers. All of my unit rates are bubbled in red. Do these all look the same? Are these all the same unit rates? The answer is no. Because you're only paying this fee one time, it's going to skew how much each ticket costs. The more tickets you buy, the less it costs per ticket. So in this case, if you only buy one ticket, you're paying $10 no matter what. But if you're buying 4 tickets, you're paying $7.75 per ticket. See the difference? Okay, let's look at a couple more examples. The table shown represents the pages Martin and Gabriel read over time, okay? We're trying to see if these are proportionate. All right, if we look at Martin's, he reads 2 pages in 5 minutes. Over here, 4 and 10. Can we simplify that to 2/5? Yes, by dividing by 2. 6 and 15. Can we simplify that? If we divide by 3, 6 divided by 3 is 2, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 10 divided by, let's see here, by 5 would be 2, and 25 divided by 5 would be 5, and 12 divided by 6 would be 2, and 30 divided by 6 would be 5. So these are all, this is a proportion. This is proportionate. Look at Gabe's though. 3 and 5. Okay, if we simplified this, 4 and 10, okay, 2 goes into 4 twice. It goes into 10 5 times. So now he can read 2 pages in 5 minutes. Okay, 5 and 12. 5 is a prime number and shares nothing with 12. So that right there is already a simplified ratio. 6 and 15. Okay, they both share a 3. 3 goes into 6 twice. It goes into 15 5 times. So 2 and 5. 7 and 18. 7's a prime number, but it doesn't go into 18. So look at, he's all over the place. This is not a proportion. I spelled that wrong. Whoops. All right, let me try that again. It's now in black. Proportion. All right, there we go. So let's look at a graph. Another way we can see if 2 quantities are proportional is to graph the quantities on a coordinate plane. Okay, remember, this is the y-axis, this is the x-axis, and this middle spot right here is the point of origin. It's where all of our points take off. Okay, either we go this way and up or down, or we go this way and up or down. Okay. Coordinate, the x-coordinate is this part of the ordered pair. The y-coordinate is the second number in the coordinate pair, or in the ordered pair. If you want to look at the quadrants, they start here and they make a C around the origin. Okay, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so let's look at an example. James earns $5 an hour babysitting. Determine whether the amount of money James earns babysitting is proportionate to the number of hours he babysits. Okay, so if he babysits no hours, how much does James make? 0, that's right. Okay, that was a pretty easy one. What about 1 hour? They told us he earns $5 an hour, so he would earn 5. Okay, what about if he works 2 hours? He would earn 10. Okay, let's do one more just for fun. What if he worked 5 hours? Okay, think about that. 5 times 5 would be 25. So if he works no time at all, 0, he would earn $0, okay? And we could go, let's go up by 5s here. Okay, so $5, $10, 15, 20, 25. Okay, and in time, let's go up 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours. Okay, so we already said if he works no hours, he gets no money. If he works 1 hour, he gets $5. 2 hours, $10. If he works 5 hours, he gets $25. Notice here that this line is going up at the same rate every single time, okay? And he could work unlimited hours and make that number times 5, okay? So This one is a proportion. It goes through the origin. That's important. Write that down. It goes through the origin and then goes up at the same rate. It goes up at the same rate, okay? It increases. We can say increases at the same rate. Let's look at this example. Fun Center, the number of pitches, if you pitch 0, you pay nothing. If you pitch 4 times, you pay $1. If you pitch 8 times, you pay $2. Is that proportionate? Let's look at these points here. Is this a proportion? So if I pitch nothing, it's going to be $0, but if I pitch 4, it's going to cost 1. If I pitch, let's see, 8, it's going to cost 2, which can be simplified to 4 over 1, right? And if I pitch 12, it's going to cost me $3, which 3 goes into 12 4 times. It goes into itself 1. So this is a proportion. Proportion. Okay? If we look at softball plus, these points. Okay, I'm going to write it in blue to match. All right. 3 over 0. 6 out of 4. It's going to cost me $4. And 12 for 5. Okay, can I simplify 12 and 5? No, but I can simplify 6 and 4 to 3 halves. Is that the same? Is this a proportion? No. The key is he went through the origin. That's what makes him a proportion. The other key is he did not. This is going to start skewing your data. This is kind of like that problem where we bought the tickets and we paid that $3 processing fee. It caused it to not be a proportion. Same thing with this one. All right? And that's how you look at tables and graphs. Rewatch the video if you need to, and see you in class.